G'day guys and girls, welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to install hot and cold side Whoosh Motorsports Boost Pipes. So this is what we get in the kit. I've already opened it up, but as you can see it was pretty well packaged. Really fast shipping time from Whoosh Motorsports. We've got our cold side pipe. Now this port here, in the US they use them for meth injection, but I've got a plug for that, so I'll plug that up. Hot side pipe, various silicons. We'll go through all that with the install. Got some rad little Whoosh Motorsport trees. And they actually, I was surprised with this, they actually come with Mishimoto T-bolt style clamps. There are a couple of worm clips in there as well for various parts of the kit, but like I said, we'll go through all that when we install it. Before I jack up the car, I've loosened the top hose on the throttle body rubber joiner, the standard one, just so that I don't have to reach up through the engine bay later. From below there's a air line down here, and there's a sensor, an airflow sensor or a map sensor or whatever it is. We'll get all that from underneath the car. Coming over to the cold side pipe, Whoosh provided this. It's just like a little grub screw with a bit of sealant on it. That took a bit of effort to get in, but once that's in, hopefully that seals nicely. But yeah, it's a nice looking kit. I've sorted out roughly where all the clamps go, so it should be pretty straightforward from here. Fingers crossed. So once you've got your jack stands securely under the car, this is the hot side pipe. I'm going to remove that first. You need a 7mm socket to get right up in here, up in here, up in here, and just undo that top one. Then you're going to come down, you can see, but just here we'll then do those bolts. Your hot side pipe's secured on to the sump by these two bolts here. They are 13mm, so they might take a little bit to crack. I've just cracked them, but then they're just going to come off nice and easy. So we'll get them off, and then we've just got one more clamp onto the intercooler, and we can pull the hot side pipe off. Got the hard pipe off. Last time I tried this with the pipes that didn't fit, I had the front bar off and the lower panel. So I've actually got the clamp facing down. So the problem now is trying to get right in down there and undo the clamp. But we'll get there. When I put them back on, I'll have the clamps facing outwards so that we can get to them nice and easy. Alright, standard hot side off, Whoosh hot side going on, and with the red silicone as well. So it should be a lot easier to put this one on than it was to take that off. Okay, so the hot side pipe is in. Although it was a bitch to get out, that was the placement of the clamps from me from last time. But that's in and underneath the car. All sorted. So that's pretty cool. Goes all the way up. So at least we've got that one done. Now we've got to move over to the cold side and work out a way to get that clamp off. But once that clamp's off, the rest of it should be pretty straightforward. Cold side is out. All I need to do is remove the sensor and put it on the new pipe. But thanks to my mates for helping, I couldn't get my hand in. It was a pain in the ass, mainly because last time when I did it, when I put the clamp back on, I've put it on when it was convenient, when the bumper was off the car. So here's the cold side. We've got the throttle body adapter. That goes onto the intercooler from the cold side. Here's the plug that we spoke about earlier, a little grub screw, got a bit of sealant on it. And we'll put the sensor back in here. So we'll do that and we'll start fitting it up. Just to note that the Whoosh kit does come with a new bolt for the sensor. Just make sure that you use that bolt, and it was a 10mm. I think to get it out of the standard pipe was a 7mm. Just a quick comparison of what we've taken out compared to what's going in. This is the standard pipe. Probably roughly the same size. Maybe the Whoosh ones are a little bit bigger. We do delete the Symposer hose on the Whoosh one, which is good. I've got the Symposer delete in there anyway. We're fitting just the bend that goes into the intercooler now, and then we'll fit this pipe. One thing to note, on the standard pipe it does attach to the block. You can see it's got that. You put a nut on there and that attaches to the block. The Whoosh one doesn't have it. There we go, job done. Attached to the throttle body, nice and tight. Come down, air lines in down there, the sensors connected back up, and we go down in there. It's beautiful when stuff just fits. So pretty happy. Now I just got to fit the airbox back up and start it up, make sure everything runs alright. First start, make sure it starts for starters. Sounds good. Got nothing. Still got nothing. We'll let it warm up and then we'll go for a drive and test it. Job done. Been for a drive. The car's driving nice, boosting nice, idle's fine. No warning lights, no funny noises. So I'm pretty stoked with this kit. It fit up exactly how you'd expect a purpose-made kit to fit. So this is actually Boost Pipes Take 2. Thank you, Ron at Whoosh Motorsports. The kit is really good. Very, very easy install. Thanks for your good customer service and fast shipping times. Cheers to my mates John and Zach for helping today. Some of the bits were pretty fiddly and I was struggling, so they helped out where they could. And cheers for watching as always. Thanks guys.